So this guy is indeed coming to say, hata nyoka hawezi nyang'anywa watoto wake. Hata kama mtu ni crazy, hafai kunyang'anywa watoto wake. Hata kama, na anadai ya kwamba hata watu ambaye they have mental health problems, they still have their children. So just because Kanyari has done one or two things ndani ya social media, kwa mtandao na everything, he's coming to say that that should not be a factor that need to determine that he shouldn't be given his children, or people should see as if he's not a fit father, that he's not a responsible individual, that he's never taken his children seriously. No, he's coming to say that he has done that. And I think everybody knows Kanyari has done that. And kumekuwa na maswali watu wamekuwa wakijiuliza kwa mtandao mengi sana, ambayo I don't know if I should be able to talk them here or not. But I think here I would want to agree with Kanyari that what he's done in the past, mambo ya 310 na kila kitu, there's a lot of people that sell water for $1,000. There's people, pastors and prophets and men of God and women of God and all sort of people who sell pillows. Others sell handkerchiefs. Others sell blessings. Bring 1,000. Bring 10,000 shillings. Bring this. So 310 was the scandal that happened. Kanyari has since then confessed about this before God and before men. And therefore I don't think it should be something that people should keep holding on. Kusema Kanyari nini na nini. But Kanyari is actually coming here to address. I think you guys meweza kuona kwa video. He's saying that hawezi kusema eti hata pigania watoto wake, and that his children should be, given to other people or be subjected to live with other people because of some mistakes that he's done before. We cannot dwell on that, watu wa Mungu. We have to move on past the mistakes zile mtu alishafanya, especially if they have learned from their mistakes. This guy, I think, is a serious father, and he's coming to say yeye ako serious. Tunaona amesema mpaka mambo ya where the children need to live ameshanunua. I do not think he's lying. I want to believe that he's got enough money and that he can actually buy a house. Whether it was 90 million or 5 million or whatever, that is only him and the mortgage people and whatever, and the Runda people who are selling the house that can tell that. But tunajua Runda hakuna nyumba ya 1,200. Runda nyumba zinatokanga million whatever. Whether it's 90 million or whatever, that's another discussion that is not necessary here. But what we are saying, that this guy is taking things serious. And I think it is important apatue break